Hello everyone, Shep Gordon 1 from UK Locksport, and today I was in past my local locksmith and I bought this maxus 50mm, that's key bitten, just to show you that it works. And I did try and out of the box video, but that never happened well from it, so here's my second try again. I'm going to go top the keyway, and I'm going to go with the Rev Tattoo medium hook. Oh, that's a cracking start. Now I'll go with this one. One, two, nothing on two. Maybe a bit of counter rotation on three. A little turn on the core. I've maybe turned the core a little bit too much. That was pin 4, a little turn on the core. One, a little click on one. No, I'm going to leave 2 alone. 3, a little click. 4, some counter. 5, some counter.